In this video, I will show with you how you can cancel magnific AI subscription. So friends, Freepik is now magnific. If you want to cancel your membership and get refund, follow me in this video. Go to profile icon, go to this one, setting on plan billing, or this one or this one. You will see this page. Go to this plan and billing. From here, you can downgrade. You will see option downgrade on here. So you will see downgrade option. If I make this one, as you can see here, click on downgrade option, and then you will cancel subscription successfully. If you want to get a refund, go to submit a ticket, choose the reason, for example, this one for the reason, choose subscription and payments, and then choose cancel or request cancel automatic renewal. This one, choose a message, for example, I want to cancel my plan, as you can see here, and then click send this message. Click on send. Just fill this form, click subscription payments, click cancel this one, and then click send. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, share this